Hey friends, it's fall here in Colorado, which means leaves are falling everywhere, and it's time to test out this Lazyboi leaf blower. We're gonna be blowing some leaves, some pine needles, as well as some wood chips to really give this thing a good, powerful test and see if it can handle that kind of yard work. Okay, the leaf blower actually has two settings. Up here, you can see the fan strength button. Now I'm gonna go straight to the most powerful setting just so we can see what it's capable of. Remember that the more power you use, the quicker the battery is going to be used up. So let's go ahead and kick it on. It does have a little bit of noise here. Okay, there you go. That is the Lazyboi leaf blower. You can see the demo. Not too bad for such a compact little machine. Hopefully that makes your shopping experience just a little bit easier.